here's how you reassemble a 3x3. So in case you don't know, this is mainly for speed cubes. So, how you first fit it is with an edge like that. Then, make another edge. So in this case, I used blue, yellow. Now I want to do orange, yellow. So I'll be searching for the edge until I find it. Orange, white, super close. I wonder where it is. Where did my edges go? Okay, found the orange, yellow. Sometimes you may lose pieces, so it's better off if you categorize them. And now put the blue, orange, yellow corner in. And then, where's that part? The orange blue edge. You put them. And for 3x3s, you have to make sure they're the right colors, or else it won't work. Now you repeat that. That same process. Although it's really annoying when you need to find the edges. Okay. Okay, found this. Now all I'll just need is the 2 parts. So I'll go find those 2. I'll insert them, and then I'll put their edges. Where's that last edge? It must be this one. Right, this one. Now we're done with the bottom layers. It's pretty nice, I mean, you gotta admit. Oh, whoopsies. Oh, why did I take off the center cap? Okay. This thing's getting a little bit tricky right now. But you should turn 45 degrees, insert your first edge. So let's show you. Let me show you. Okay, so I inserted my edge. Okay, now where does it go? It goes here. Now can this layer turn? If this layer can turn freely, then good. Now insert the corners. Now for the next edges, you do the exact same thing. Okay. Now, you place the corners in, and then turn 145 degrees, or 45 degrees, not to 145, and then twist it back on. So you see, twist. And that's how you reassemble a 3x3. Bye and see you next time.